Hello everyone, and welcome to a geography lesson that will unpack all the questions that you have. Have you ever wondered how is it that in South Africa there are some parts that are full of green plants while others might be dry and rocky? Well, look no further, because in this video we will look deeply into how three elements are linked and why they are impossible to be separated. These three elements include weather, climate, and vegetation. What will we cover? First, we will define weather, climate, and vegetation, how these plants are linked, and the South African examples. Now let's look deeper into the three terms. First, we'll look at weather. Weather is a day-to-day condition of the atmosphere which includes rainfall, wind, and humidity. It can be explained as a mood of the sky and can be sunny, rainy, or cloudy. An example that can be used is in Durban. Today may be hot, tomorrow can be windy, and the next day it's raining. While on the other hand, we have climate. So, climate is an average pattern of the weather for a place in a long period of time. In simpler terms, we can say that climate can be explained like a personality of a place. It is there for a very long time. An example for a term can be Cape Town, that is known for its hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters. And last but not least, we have vegetation. Vegetation are plants that grow naturally in a region. This depends on the rainfall temperature and soil. Plants grow depending on the temperature of the soil. The example can include mango trees in Durban. We all know that they grow only on a certain time of the year and when the seasons comes around. Therefore, weather and climate influence vegetation. Vegetation is influenced by weather and climate by releasing moisture into the air and establishing temperature. Now let's look at the elements and how they are connected like a chain. Climate determines the type of weather it usually experiences. Weather produces sunlight and wind and rainfall, which can come in hardly for plant growth. Vegetation helps regulate local climate and weather by producing oxygen and moisture. For the South African examples, we will look deeply into the fynbos, savanna, karoo, grassland, and lastly forest biomes. Fynbos biomes, which is located in the Western Cape, due to the different patterns of the seasons, plants that produce proteas have not developed maturely. Savanna biomes in Limpopo has hot summers and rainfalls and dry winters. There are large amounts of grass in the region and the vegetation assists animals. Moving on to Karoo biomes, located in the Northern Cape, goes through very low rainfall and semi-desert climates. This leads to many plants like scrubs and survive in dry conditions. Now let's explore the grassland biomes, which is located in the Free State. It can also be found in other parts of the country. These include Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. Grassland biomes have summer rainfall and cold, dry winters. The rainfall supports through grasses, which makes them dominate. Lastly, let's have a look at the forest biomes. It's known for its warm, moist climate and experiences rain throughout the year. The more it experiences rainfall, it allows tall trees such as the yellowwoods and stickwood to grow even more. So, what have we learned? That climate, weather, and vegetation work together to build South Africa's unique natural environment. When the climate changes, it affects weather patterns that change the type of vegetations. Thank you for learning physical features with me.